In this video, we are going to create sub pages of our website. Sub pages, that means, let me show you one example. So suppose this is our institution website, right? So here, if we'll come, so like this one, like this way, we can see these are the sub pages, right? Or this is a subcategory. So like that way, we'll be creating sub pages, right? So for creating this type of sub pages, again, you'll have to come on your backend part. And actually this thing we are creating pages, so again we'll come here in the pages and all pages. So here we can see whatever the pages are here, but we want to add some more new pages, right? So simply click on add new, and whatever the pages you want to create, right? So that you can create over here. So for example, like our services, then scroll down and simply click on publish. Okay, so this is the main page I have created, our services page, and under that I want to keep 2 or 3 pages, right? So again, that page you have to create. For example, we are providing services in growth marketing, right? So that page we have created, and 1 or 2 more pages will be creating. Then simply click on publish. So that page, it will be published at the backend. And after that, you have to select at the header part that you want to show in the header, the main site of your website. So that thing you'll be selecting. So again, you'll come over here, come on all pages, and let's see whether this page has been created or not. So here we can see our services page, strategic management, and growth marketing. So all the pages we have created. So for keeping at the front side, again, you have to come on appearance option, click on menus. So this is the footer part, right? But we want to keep it at the header part. So from here, select your menu. It's a header part. Click on select. Okay, so here the pages are coming now, but we have created 3 pages like our services, growth marketing, and strategic management. Then click on add to menu. So now we have to arrange these pages, right? So our main service page will be this one, so that I'll be keeping over here below about us, right? And these 2 pages I want to create, or I want to show as a sub pages. So what I'll do, just I'll take it and little bit right I'll keep. You have to set the alignment over here, right? So just move little bit right. Okay, so here we have set the right, and again just to bring this page over here and keep on this alignment. And you have set the alignment like this one, right? So like this way we have arranged the web pages. So in our services pages, this sub pages will become. So after doing that, scroll down and click to save to menu. After saving it, just you can go to the front side and you can check that whether the things are coming or not. So this is the main site, and here you can see only 4 pages are here, right? If you refresh this page, it will be saying the other pages as well. So now we can see our services, right? So when after we are bringing cursor over here, we can see these 2 sub pages has been created now. So like this way you can create sub page for any pages.